Hey guys, CMV Tractor Collectors here with another find. This time I traded another tractor. Traded my newest one actually. I got rid of my 1953 Farmall Super M to get my 1944 Farmall H Mcormick Deering O4 orchard tractor. A few things that are pretty cool about it is, well, it's an orchard tractor, so it's supposed to have the big fenders on it and all. Another thing is it has it's got a hand clutch, which is fairly uncommon to see on a IH product, which is pretty cool, you know. Another thing that's pretty uncommon to see is this one's actually a pretty rare orchard tractor in the fact that it's an all fuel. It's supposed to have the little tank there to start on gas and then run it on distillate or kerosene. So just picked this up a little while ago. Anyways, we'll get on it and start it up, and you guys we'll go for a ride on it. So a little different operating station than the average tractor, but it's still cool in my opinion. Turn the key on, hit the ignition switch. Pretty much just engage the hand clutch, turn a certain direction, just engage the hand clutch. Turn right. Also has the factory 1944 steel gear shift knob instead of the rubber one. Most IH products had rubber gear shift handles, but during the war, with the rubber shortage, to conserve rubber products, they put a steel shifter handle on, shifter knob on this. So that's another thing that's fairly uncommon. Pretty good little tractor, holds 50 pounds of oil pressure. Engine's pretty tight. Doesn't smoke quite as much as my H, but doesn't not smoke either. It burns a little oil. So it's a fun little tractor. The only thing I really need to do to it is fix this wheel seal here, and I'm gonna change the oil on it. That's about time. So fun little tractor though. Anyways, that's the 1944 Mcormick Deering O4 for you. Good little tractor. A few things I'm going to do to it is get this tractor style exhaust and make it back underslung so it points towards that rear tire down there, and get this ugly alternator off and put a 12 volt generator under it so I can keep my 12 volt system. So that's another thing I got to do, but anyways, I want to get rid of this ignition key switch too. I want to get a regular push-pull style international harvester switch for it. So pretty cool little tractor. I like it. It is really neat. You don't see these very often, let alone an all-fuel model. Anyways, I'll let you guys go, and we'll talk to you later. I'll be posting a few more videos as I'm getting back on my truck now. So if you like this video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I hope you like my new find. I think it'll serve my purpose a little better than my 53 Farmall Super M that I had. So we'll talk to you later.